Now, you don't have to make an appointment at the nail salon, go to the nail salon, spend all the time doing it. Unless you like doing that, that's up to you. And paying all this money. Efficient, glamorous, budget-friendly. Yeah, I think that hits all the points of my brand. Woohoo! Welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. That was my shoulder. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can get notified every single time that I post, because I wouldn't want you to miss a single video. I got a request to film the video on how I do my nails. So here we are. It was time to put on a fresh set. Let's get it going. Here it is. Already opened and used, obviously, because I put them on. Let's get out the instructions, because that's how you properly do things. Select correct size nail for each finger and lay out in order. Wash hands with soap and water. Dry well before using prep pad. Helpful tips. Always apply both thumbnails last. Actually, yes. I go from pinky in, so I'll do pinky, pinky, ring, ring, middle, middle, pointer, pointer, thumb, thumb, because it's easier to rip off the backings if you're doing it that way, if that makes sense. Nails feature pressure-sensitive adhesive. The more firmly you press down, the stronger the adhesion will be, resulting in longer wear. If you're in between two sizes, choose the smaller size. Prep pad and mini file are included, which is true. There's a mini file right here, and the prep pad, which you can see me doing all of that good stuff, prepping my nails. Removal. Gently peel off from sides or dab polish remover between natural nail and impressed nail. Wait 1 minute, peel off. If needed, use manicure stick to help in removal. I actually use that manicure stick to push back my cuticles a little bit. Usually when it's time for them to come off, they are ready. If you follow all of the instructions on here, if you follow every single instruction on here correctly, they will last at least a week, which is so awesome. I'm always telling you how to be more efficient and save money and still be glamorous. So these nails are the epitome of that. Let's focus on them. The cool thing about this is that you can get a box of these for between $6 and $8, depending on where you get them from. You can get them from CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Ulta. Point is, you can get them in a lot of different places. Previously, I had gotten my nails done and it was really expensive. I wasn't a fan of the result. And then you had to go back. And then when they went to take off the gel or whatever that was equivalent to this, it was so painful. Starting step number 1, use the enclosed prep pad to thoroughly cleanse nails, removing any remaining soap, oil, or residue. Step number 2, peel off clear backing to reveal adhesive. Number 3, align nail with cuticle. And number 4, press down firmly, starting in the middle, then firmly on each side, left to right. So the cool part about this is that if you're doing it right, like it said on the other side, you lay out all of the nails in the correct order. I lay them out like this way, so I lay out the pinkies, rings, middles, forefingers, and thumbs. I lay them all out on the table, and you find there are matching numbers underneath each nail. So there are 2 of each size, and there are plenty of sizes. I even like to mix and match when I have multiple sets. Like this set comes with some silver ones. I didn't use any of the silver ones because I have other nails that I thought it would be cool to mix the silvers with. That's another really fun part, is that you can eventually combine and get a couple free manicures out of it. We love that. So you simply peel that backing off, line it up, and make sure that it's straight. Just don't be like not looking and then putting it on, because it's stuck. Once it's on there, it's stuck. Make sure, put your hand out, lay it out, make sure it's straight, and then boom, put it on, press it down. I hold it down, and I try to minimize the exposure to water. I try not to wash my hands for at least 30 minutes. If I can do an hour, if I can just keep it going, however long I can do that, that will help seal that in. But if you put this on and then start washing your hands right away or doing dishes or prepping food or whatever it is that you're doing where your hands are really wet, you're immediately starting to mess with that. So I try to do everything else that I need to do that day. The laundry, the cooking, the dishing. The dishing? That's like the 2000s version of saying, like, spilling the tea. Like, dish. What? You know, dish girl.
I still say dish.
I know you do. But like that's when they say okay boomer, even though we're not boomers. We're definitely not boomers.
2 generations away from boomer.
Oh, when your students call you a boomer and you're 25.
When your Gen Z students think they're millennials.
Yeah, that too. I have recommended these to so many people, and honestly, Kiss. Yeah, the company I believe is Kiss. Impress Nails needs to sponsor me because I have sold so many of these kits. I have been wearing them since I was probably like 18 and I'm now 25. I was using these when they were still in like the fake bottle, the old packaging. If I can find a picture of that, I'll plop it right there. That's it. This takes me probably less than 10 minutes and cost me about $6 to $8. And then when you mix the other sizes that you have left over, free. They have so many different colors, styles, patterns, mix and match. You'll never run out of options, and they're constantly coming out with new ones. It's so much fun. It's low commitment. It doesn't damage your nails. So important. I did not want that damage anymore. I got gel polish when I went to get my nails done, and then when I went back to have it removed, they bring out this like circular saw thing, and they're just going, and there's dust particles flying everywhere from all the polish, and you're trying not to breathe it in, and then it's like really hot because it starts burning your nail, and they're literally scraping the top of your nail off. I'm not about that. I don't have time for that. So what I do is this, and then when they come off super easily, and there's no damage to my nails. If you follow the instructions. Follow the directions. Please. Don't be that person who's like, I don't need that. You do. You do need that. At least until you know how the process works. Kiss, please sponsor me. If you like this video, make sure to actually hit that thumbs up button. Should be down here, and there's also a big red button that says subscribe. Make sure you hit that too. Help me help other people just like you save money, be more efficient, more glamorous. And until next time, stay hydrated, sis. Good news, I have a promo code for you guys to get 10% off on all of your Hydro Jug goodness so that you can stay hydrated just like me. This works for the entire site. There's no exclusions. Just go to hydrojug.com and type in the code GLAMLIFE10 at checkout for 10% off your purchase. Link's down there. Stay hydrated, sis. This is a super simple way to look fabulous, to feel fabulous, and also...
fabulous.
Thank you. Aren't they? They're like...
Yeah.
Chrome. I thought these would be fun to show you
Like
guys. Oil slick, chromey. Feel like really fancy. And see.